starting the Four Waterfalls journey. Are you ready for your hike? It's supposed to take us 3 or 4 hours, but it's 11 o'clock, so we will see how we go. That's the car park we are at. This is the other car park, which is a little bit closer, I think. Oh. This is the number we have if we need help. Down this way to the waterfalls, and then this way along the top of the last waterfall. That's where we go. Heading down to the first waterfall. I think Mookie found the first waterfall, or it might be the entrance pipe. Oh, she's found another one. Oh, yeah, so that's back, and then that way is the other car park. That way's Carry On, I suppose. Yeah. And then down this way is the waterfall. 2 minutes to squiggly diddly. This is the first waterfall. And down the steps to the first waterfall. You can hear it down here. The doggos are gone. Mum's reading a sign. Here's the first one. So come back up the waterfall and we're heading on to the next waterfall. So we're here and then we're going down to 2 and 3, or we can go down to 4. Buddy! So we'll carry on. So we'll carry on to 4. Yeah. Oh, dookie! Hop up. Heading down the steps. Good boy! And back up the track towards home. Nice little view from the top. Oh yeah! Shit! No, that was right at the start. So this has come round. So we did the loop down there to see all the waterfalls, and then this, is back, heading towards the car. So they're walking back the same trail, right? But don't forget, there's a massive hill on the way back. And when you thought you were done with the hills, there's a bit more hill. Rod, leave her be. Leave her be. She's like, I'll take it. We did waterfall 1 and waterfall 4. We missed out 2 and 3 because my poor dad's waiting in the car with his poorly hip, and it took us exactly 2 hours. So you can make it longer by doing 2 and 3, but it was a nice walk doing 1 and 4. Good focus. Then we come back to the end of the thing.